Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create your account on Instagram. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, just start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram, here we go. And then you can simply sign up your account with your Facebook account. But here, if you wanna go with alternative way, just tap on this sign up with email address or phone number option at the bottom. Just tap on this option. And here, there are two ways to sign up. One is with your email address. You can provide your email address to sign up your account, or you can provide your phone number. Here I'm going with my phone number. Just provide your phone number here. Then after, just click on this next option at the blue box. Just tap this option and then simply tap on this create new account option at the bottom, and here you can add your name. Then is Paul, and you have to provide a password for your account. Just provide a strong password there. And after getting done, just tap on this continue and sign account option, and it will ask you to access your contact. If you want to access the contact, just tap on this allow, or if you want to deny it, just tap on this deny option. Here I'm going with allow option. Just tap here and just add your date of birth, like here just add your date of birth. And after adding your date of birth, just tap on this next option. And you can also change your username by tapping this change username option. And in order to sign up your account, just tap on this sign up option at the blue box, and here Instagram is registering your account. It will take some second. After that, it will just ask to connect with your Facebook. Just tap this skip option. If you want to connect with your Facebook, just tap on this connect to Facebook option. Here I'm going to skip this option, and again skip this option as well if you want to don't follow your Facebook friends. And if you want to add profile, you can add a profile by tapping on this add a photo option. And if you want to skip this, just skip option, tap on this skip option. You can add your photo later as well. And that's it. Your Instagram account has been created. Simply, this is how you can sign up your Instagram account. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please subscribe this channel as well. Thank you for watching.